the second to last section of the first asylum level. Okay, from Asylum Rock. So I'm just checking the elevator works. If you don't want spoilers for the game and you're planning on playing it, by the way, do be aware, obviously, because I don't want spoilers for you. The whole thing's supposed to be like, you know, pull back, reveal, and so on. Even this section, which is like a Bob Manifold zone. Yeah. Anyway, let's go over there. So I just need to check that I can call the. Oh, there's no staircase there. Pretty sure there should have been a staircase there. Oh well, never mind. Okay, so I'm hopeful that this is going to call the elevator and the system's working again. Yep, there it goes. Good. Elevator's coming. Here it comes, sliding in space. Doors open. And I should now be able to come over here, pull the handle, and go downstairs. And all I'm doing is checking this final pathway works before doing the last bit of decoration on it. There we go. Bit of a journey. There we go. Now I can go down here. Let's see if we can make it across here. Yep, good. Okay then. So what I need to do now is, no point talking to this because this is the old model. Quite a lot of fog down here, so I might need to adjust that. Cool. Okay, so I've got 2 last pieces to build for this to work, and I've got to adjust the fog. The fog is too flipping foggy, especially down here, because obviously it's height based, and I am quite far down. So, back up here, and I should probably need to put on chat thing, because I don't know if anyone's watching or not, and that's probably bad. Look at my YouTube channel thing. Yeah, there we go. See, there is a person watching. Hello, person. How are you? Whoever you are most welcome. I'll just have a quick check of Twitch as well. There we go. Just give a shout out to my fan. Hello, fan. Anyone else on this one? I can't tell. But if there is, hello. How's that sound? Okay, and I'll type hello. There we go, there's a hello, and there's a name of hello in this one as well. Right, so now let's get back to this. The fog is pretty darned high, so look at this exponential height fog. Maybe 0.005 could be enough here. Maybe even less. I mean, you want atmosphere, but you don't want them to think they're getting lost down here. So let's see how it looks now with this one. Now, I do have actually a plugin for this called Ultra Volumetric Fog, is it? But, I don't know. It's a little bit too foggy. Seems a silly thing to say, but it really is. It's a little bit better. The water looks darker, which is what I was aiming for here. Gives you a better sense of scale, I think. Could be that there's too many lights here as well. So we can see if I can reduce the lights just a lot. I think too many lights is always going to be an error. First deleted day, always the slowest. Right. Get rid of that one. That one. Move this along. Put that in there. So that way it's kind of highlighting this a little bit. You can see it. See how it looks in the game. Even when I was first doing this sort of thing, I was always like, I could have 200 lights, they're all going to have shadows, all that kind of shit. No, don't do that. That's a bit better. Yeah, it kind of works. lights are really kind of flooding it out, aren't they? I think there's a possibility I can just get rid of that one completely and not use it. Or maybe have it here. If I have it here, then it's illuminating the machine rather than illuminating everything else. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so now when we come over here, as you see it's completely dark here, which is kind of better. Good, so they're lighting up, and you can see there's a big distance going on now. And there it is. And now you know exactly where you're supposed to go. The light is showing the way. While these are overblown lights, I don't know what they're supposed to be. Now this one here, I think, has to go. And I can probably reduce the emission value of these because the intensity is too high, really. See if that helps as well. There we are. So I've got a viewer by the looks of things in each one of you. Hello. 2 viewers. Is it not to be not? Right, there we go. Be so careful here as well, because if you fall in the water. There, that's it. Okay, so that worked. Now, over here. Let's check the size of this water volume first. We have this area here, you see. Okay, so I'm going to have to adjust the level on this. Oh, actually no, I don't need to, it's separate, brilliant. Okay, so put the snaps back on. What I need to do is actually quite simple here. I'm just stretching some walls across. This used to be a whole different area, but now it isn't. There we are. Cool. And let's leave this one. And now I'll start back on. There we are. Okay, so now look at this. This is kind of looking okay. There we go, put that there. This enormous area here now kind of starts to drop into place. And I think a sign on the wall is definitely needed here. So, and it will be something absurdly large. Because of course it will be. So let's just move this table and chair. Actually, leave them where they are. I'll just have it straight up here. Just which wall's going to be better? Well, it's somewhere visible. It's right here. So, text. I've been becoming quite fond of the basic Unreal Engine text editor over time. I used to hate it, but used properly, it's not too bad. Right. The rotation here. So allows me to get the text. Now, rather than scale it, you just use world size. And to make sure it's out enough so you can see it. Nice. So now ideally is we need to be able to see this. Now I've been using various different ways of basically messing around with this, just to get the font a little bit more squished down. So minus 0.6 on that one, just to get the text nice and close. And there as well. Now desalination plant. And then underneath that, maintenance access. Let it tell its own story. Maintenance access to hydrotherapy. And we'll just do something pleasing with the font, because that's the kind of stupid shit that now I do. There we go. So now desalination plant is pretty obvious to where you have to go. And what we'll do is we'll grab one of these, but we're going to swap the model we're using. And this could be unit 6. So, replace actor with, let's find the correct vocoder. So, this is the vocoder. This is a clever little bit of code, this. It looks identical, don't be fooled. Kiosk title. Unit 6. Well, let's give it a go. I might change the video.
Visitor, Unit 6 is not alone anymore. Hello, visitor. Welcome to this animation. It is nice to see a person. Hello. Yes, this alienation. Take the salt out of the water so that patients can bathe, swim, soak, float, sink, drink. Yes, do not go. Stay with Unit 6. Unit 6 is happy to see someone. Hello, would you like to chat? Unit 6 is lonely. Why is Unit 6 down here? Unit 6 has not seen anyone in a long time. Hello, hi Unit 6. It is wet there. You won't like it. Don't go to hydrotherapy. Stay with Unit 6. I out of order. Please use a different kiosk. I do not know anything. I said that I do not know anything. I do not know if that lever turns on the pumps. Which part of being out of order confuses you, Detective Shepard? We do not talk about Unit 6. Out of order. 3 words. I waiting to be repaired. I have no idea why you are asking me questions still.
Okay. 3 minutes. Yes. Taking the call. Sorry? Oh, it's you know, it's not this show. Taking the call. Okay, looks like I have to stop for the moment. Such is life.